because we're not going to have a good angle on this guy.
Oh gosh.
These are inflow winds here. This was down. This tornado was down. Look at these.
Stop.
Yep.
Are we inside it?
No, but I think this is the ghost
No,
train.
dude, we're inside it. Are we?
No, we're in the ghost train.
No, yeah, you're right, we're in the ghost train.
I don't want to break my glass.
I don't
Feel this thing. Wow, look at that. That's a couch.
Oh, wow.
Oh, power flash.
Oh, shoot. Are you sure we're not in it?
Should I drive forward or stay? No, I need to stay.
Dude, our car is getting locked. Shoot.
We're going full into this. Oh, that tree went down hard. Yeah.
No, this isn't a tornado though. This is just damage. This is
oh my
just
gosh,
RFP.
Johnny. Wow. Okay. I'm gonna try to scoot now that I can.
Okay. On it. Oh, look at that. Look at that tree down.
Yep, I know, I saw that.
Holy shoot! Woo!
Wow.
What are we doing? Are we gonna go around?
I'm going back to this road and we're going south. Jeez, this is gnarly, dude. Holy crap.
Dude.
This is
the most intense thing I have ever done.
Yes.
This is way more intense than the hurricane. Oh my gosh.